So, hello everyone! May pimple ko. It's a new vlog. Today is a Thursday. Monday, Thursday. And, mag-isa ko lang sa house. Actually, kasama ko si Lola. But, mag-isa ko lang because my family went on vacation. Sana all. Yan, so, ka-uwi ko lang from work. I need to, mag-grocery for tomorrow kasi magdi-dinner daw kila lady. It's my turn to cook daw. So, inisip ko, since tomorrow is a Good Friday, I was thinking to cook tomorrow fish and chips. Yeah. Fish and chips. Kanina, chinat ko yung AAA grocery sa my Camp 7. Buti nag-reply. Yeah. Yan. It's so, I appreciate the response, AAA. Yan. So, dun tayo mag-grocery later. Gamitin natin yung kotse ni Papa. Yung truck niya. Kasi, gusto ko lang i-drive. So, paalam natin. Hey Siri! Call Mama Globe. Hindi sumasagot. Ayaw. Hey Siri! Call Mama Smart. Hello, Ma? Hello? Asan nga kayo? Ah, okay. Nasa bahay na ako. Wow, aga. Ano lang sasabihin ko? Pwede ko, kasi mag-grocery ako dyan sa, Camp 7. May bibilihin ako. Pwede ko bang gamitin yung F-150? Hindi? Hindi? Okay. Ano?
Hindi daw pwede. Kasi may defect yung preno niya.
Ay, sayang. Iba-vlog ko sana. Okay, bye-bye, Garad.
O, sige pa.
Okay, ingat.
Yung
Oh.
ice cream daw.
Ha?
May ice cream.
Oh, really? May ice cream ako. Thanks, Julia. Bye. Love you. Okay, bye-bye. May ice cream. Okay, so hindi daw pwede gamitin yung F-150. Kasi may tama yung brakes niya. So, yung kotse na lang ni ate gamitin natin. Okay, let's go! Tignan natin yung ice cream. May ice cream daw ako. Wow! Thanks, Julia! I'll eat this later. Kuha lang tayo ng eco bag. Ito na lang. Kasha kaya to? Kasha. Okay, let's go. Ito dapat yung gagamitin natin. Sayang. Okay, so I want to try this. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. Para dito, guys. Diyan. For my camera. So, ganyan itsura niya, guys. Mukhang makapit naman. Amazing. Nice, nice. Okay, we're here. Let's go! Bucky! Bucky! Okay, we're home. Magkahol tayo, pero kain muna tayo. Nagutom. Okay, so for the grocery, we bought crispy fry, yung pang-coating sa Mojo's. And our pang fish fillet. This is cream dory fillet. So I bought 1, 2, and 3. So tatlo binili ko. Sana kasya sa amin. Yan. Naisipan ko mag-dessert din kami. So, bumili ako ng ingredients ng pang macaroni salad. Fruit salad. Macaroni. Macaroni fruit salad. Yun. The pasta. Nestle cream. Mixed fruits. Yan. Condensed. Nata de coco. Yan, those are the ingredients. And then, I also bought yan, wine. 0 alcohol. Yeah, sparkling red. Yan, for tomorrow. And then, I bought this. This is the mixed fruits. Ano to? Masarap to, guys. Try nyo. And ano siya? Healthy. Meron siyang purple and orange, sweet potatoes, taro, and cassava chips. Yan. So, I think yung flavor niya is sea salt. Yan. Tapos, buti meron pa kasi mag-isa na lang to doon. Yan. So, that's our snack. And then, pumunta ko sa Talipapa. I bought our yan, potatoes. This is 2.5 kilos. And lemon. Yeah, that's all for tomorrow. Okay, dahil madami tayong time today, magpalit tayo ng bedsheets. Let's choose our bedsheet, guys. Okay, so we're done fixing our room. Let's open our package. So I bought this AUA facial cryo ice ball for the face. So basically, parang container siya. Then, nilagyan mo siya ng ice sa loob. Ay, ng water. Tapos magiging ice siya. And then, you use it in your face. Yan. Rubberized. And then, eto guys. Yan. Binili ko to kasi, yan, meron siyang parang metal balls dito. Pala ko siyang lagyan ng aloe. Tapos, yan, gaganan ko siya sa scalp. Diba? Okay, so nag-out na ako sa work and grabe, sobrang traffic. It's Friday today, so it's a good Friday. Pakita ko yung traffic. Go, Christy! We're here na kila lady. We're waiting for her.
Yes, sir. Nauna pa yung
Chillin! Nauna pa kami sa may bahay. Update. Today's menu, I'm gonna cook fish and chips. Pero yung chips, hindi siya fries. Mojo's siya. And then, ramyun. And then, for our dessert, we're gonna cook macaroni fruit salad.
Yes, sir.
Hi! Yeah.
Sorry.
Hintay namin yung sunset. Okay, we're home, guys. So, okay, don't mind my pimple, guys. And we're home. Baki! Check natin yung yung kwarto natin, guys. So this is my room. Oh my gosh. Down. Ayan yung wardrobe ko. And then guys, look at this. Galing. Kuhang-kuha nila yung study area. Okay. So, nag-print kami ng mga parang inspiration or ideas, ganyan. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung idea ko, yung pinili ko. Yan, ito yung gusto ko itsura ng bed. So, as you can see, ano siya? Parang double deck, pero sliding siya sa baba. Yan, and this is single bed. Single bed lang. And then, yan, ito yung wall design, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang galing. Kuhang-kuha siya. Diba? Tapos the study table. Yan. So, gusto kasi yung parang may shelves. Yan. Built-in shelves na siya sa wall. Also, the table. Yan. So, built-in na siya. Galing. And then, pati ito, yung closet. Ang ganda. Ito, ano siya? Sliding. Sliding siya na ganyan. And then, ito lang yung inedit ko sa cabinet na to. Ito, gusto ko may pa-shelves sa side. Kasi, more storage dapat. Ganyan. So, yun, galing. Amazing. I'm excited na matapos na siya. Okay, so I think that's it for our vlog. See you in my next vlog.